solve three problems. First one is the count number of subarrays with the sum given x or k. We already solved the problem like this. Count the number of subarrays with sum x. So on that problem we have also put the same. For 0 we have one way to solve, make 0. So put it in the map. After that use a for loop for each number, and when each number comes we have to XOR the number to the sum variable. This is for the prefix sum, and if the map contains the sum XORed k means we can get the add the count to that count variable, or if it is not found means we can increase the sum with the getter default method to 0 or 1 or 2, how much the element present in the map. So this is how to solve the number of subarrays with the given sum x. And the next problem is Pascal's triangle. Pascal triangle is nothing but we have to add the before elements like in the triangle shape, and we have to add it in the list. So first they give the number of rows for this 1 2 3 4. They give the rows as 4. So first one becomes, and one will split it into 2, so 1 1. After that it will split to 1 1, and this 2 will be added and it will be summed here. Same like this, last one and first one will be 1 always, and this 2 will be added as here, and this 2 will be added here. So 1 3 3 1. For that we have to initialize a 2D list, and we have to use a for loop which will goes from 0 to last row, and inside that we have to add a list for each those things, and we are going to add this list to the our 2D list. And inside we have to open another for loop from 0 to greater or equal to I. So if the element is first element or last element means we have to add 1 only, or else we should get the I minus 1, which means previous rows previous element and previous rows same element, both should be added, and it should be added to the new list, new single list. After that we have to add the single list to the 2D list. And the last problem is length of the longest subarray with sum 0. This is what how is like they will give like this 1 2 minus 2 4. Like this means the length of the longest subarray with the sum 0 is 2 2 minus 2, it will become 0. So for this we have to use prefix sum, and if it's becomes 0 in the prefix sum itself, we have to add the index in the max value itself, or else if the value contains the sum again, already contains the sum. For example, if first is 1, so 1 will be added to the map, and second is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3 will be added to the map, and third is minus 2, so minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so 1 is already present in the map. So if it is already present in the map means we can get the window size by I is the current variable minus which index if the 1 is present. So this is 2 and this is 0, 2 minus this is 2 and this is 0, so 2 minus 0 is 2, so the length of the longest substring is 2. This is how this problem will happen, and we can return the